Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles, where today we're going to be opening a hobby box of Allegiance Infinity Trilogy. It's a pretty awesome set that I've opened before, and they got a lot of cool inserts, including these Infinity Gems that I'm looking for. I haven't pulled one of those yet. They got some Turning Point holograms. Also, they come with original art sketch cards, and also that Infinity Gem. Get one of those. One of those, and of course your one of ones, stuff like that. Let's see what else. Let's see what we can get here. First pack. Looks like we have. Oh man, I'm gonna have to shine the light here. Aurora. We got Aurora. Yeah, we have. Oh man, I wonder who that is. Wolverine, I think. Yep, that's Wolverine. Just playing. Who that is. We have Infinity Trilogy Havoc disappeared. I don't know. That is the Expeditionary Force insert, which is kind of cool. They also have these canvas inserts that says "Nothing must thwart the goddess." Oh man! And we also have Crystal here. Living Tribunal. All right. First pack. Let's go with the second. Let's see what's in the second pack. Okay. We have, looks like Taraxa. We have Mistress Love. Mistress Love. We have our little canvas insert. Where is the energy source? Galactus, Doctor Strange, Silver Surfer. Looks like we got She-Hulk hanging out. A rainbow insert. Parallel. We got Guardian. And Namor. Taraxa. Okay. Next pack. Namor. Here we go again. All right. We got, who's that? Shaman. It's a shaman. Come on now. Strong guy. We got another expeditionary force of Scarlet Witch. Pretty cool. We got a canvas card back here, our canvas insert of the goddess was busy. She could not take your call right now. You leave a message. Weapon Omega. Oh, and we got Nebula. She looks pretty beat up there. Nebula. All right, next. Pack. We got Wonder Man. We have Daredevil. We have our canvas insert. Death must be right in balance. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound very good. We got a lenticular insert. Infinity Crusade comic cover. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have Kang the Conqueror. That's kind of cool. And we got Human Torch, non-torch form. Okay, next pack. We got Doppelganger. We got Sire Hate. We got Canvas Magus. The Magus is back. Oh, he's back. lenticular comic cover Infinity Gauntlet. It's pretty cool. Looks like Nebula is choking Thanos. Man. And the Watcher. And Quasar. It's like Quasar. And back to Doppelganger. All right. I'll throw up some of these lenticulars that we just got. That'd be cool. Check those out. Trying to get those in there. Put that up there. Oh, okay. Next pack. Let's see what we get here. This next one. Okay, we got Nova. We got Colossus. Canvas insert of Thanos versus his doppelganger. Whoa. Versus Thanos. And we got a rainbow blue Sleepwalker. Very cool. She-Hulk. And a U.S. agent. Okay. Got a blue rainbow is pretty sweet. I'll throw that up there real quick. Next pack. I'll keep the rainbow up there till we can get something a little better. Let's do with Captain America here. We got Rogue. Disappeared, Mr. Fantastic. We have a canvas insert, which is reinforcements. Reinforcements arrive. Okay, they arrive. Here was a beast card. That's too bad it's not that variant, man. Okay, well, and that is Master Order. Captain America. Back to Captain America. Okay, well, so we're about almost halfway done, maybe. We've got a few packs left. Let's see if we can get a numbered card here. Let's see if we get a numbered. Oh, we got Thanos. We got Fire Lord. We got Thanos on that canvas insert there. Thanos needs help. We have a rainbow U.S. agent. Magus. And Cyclops. Okay. Next pack here. We got Pip the Troll. And we got Gambit. We got our canvas insert here. Looks like Meeting the Living Tribunal. And we have our, ooh, nice purple boxes of 99, 8 of 99 of Beast. Well, we can put that up there with the printing plate, I guess, huh? That'll work. Sorry, Kang, buddy. You have been conquered. Next is Dr. Druid and Jean Grey. All right. Purple boxes, 8 of 100, 8 of 99. That's not bad. Not bad. We're getting lower. We're getting lower. I think that's the first one we got. We got Moon Dragon. We got Thing. And the disappeared Hawkeye. That's what happens when he does the snap, you know? People disappear. A new enemy is coming on that canvas insert. Adam Warlock looking off into the distance there. We got a Sleepwalker. And Storm. But yeah, these cool. I'm a fan of this artwork. Um, I think it's pretty cool. All right, next pack we got Death, Lady Death, and then we got Black Widow, and we have our canvas insert here. Another Adam Warlock is hanging out with Silver Surfer. The war still continues. And we got something magenta boxes back here. Magenta glitter to $199. It's 131. And that's Drax. That's pretty cool. Drax is kind of cool. We got Eternity and Puck. Puck. All right. Get Drax in a sleeve real quick. Put him up there instead of Sleepwalker. Since Sleepwalker is just a blue rainbow. We're all right. Did like that. All right. Next pack. We have got 5 packs left. 5 packs left. All right. We got Maxim, Speedball, and our canvas insert of Thanos. The end of all that is. Wow. Oh man, we got another red rainbow here. Black Widow. Sweet. And Vision. And there's Drax. Hey, how about that? Drax. Magenta glitter. Alright, next pack. Next pack. We got Moon Knight. We got Eternity. No, that's Eros. No, what is that? Kronos. Hello, Kronos. Man. Galactus on a canvas insert. And discussion about Thanos. Yeah, they gotta talk about him. Oh, we got a Rainbow Magus. And Firestar. Firestar. And Stranger. All right. 3 packs left. We got Agatha Harkness. We got Iceman. We got Cosmic Catastrophe. Hulk. Silver Surfer. Doom on a canvas insert. Dr. Doom sees opportunity. Ooh. Then we have Black Knight. And Galactus. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I thought that maybe that was a variant Galactus. That would have been cool. Okay, well, that's weird. All right, second to last pack. Second to last pack. Just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the video with the Infinity Trilogy. We got Iron Man, Spider-Man, and our canvas insert is the Expeditionary Force. Yeah, that's the name of one of their inserts. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? A comic cut. Oh my god, that is so awesome. All right, that looks like Jax and Eros back there. Numbered to 50. Oh wow, I was just thinking, I wonder where the next numbered card is going to hit. And it is the second to last pack. Okay, we still got one more numbered card, I think. But this is awesome. 1991, number one, Infinity Gauntlet. Wow, that is cool. All right, we're going to take one of those lenticulars down and put up a comic cut. I've been wanting to get a comic cut in this set for a while now, so that's great. We got Epoch and back to Iron Man. Holy smokes, we got a comic cut. That is so cool. All right, our last pack of the box. Last pack of the box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got Hulk here. We got Reed Richards. We got the disappeared of Mary Jane Parker. Spider-Man's probably looking for her. We got Thanos waits on his ship. Oh, man. And we have Gamora. All right. And Invisible Woman. That was the last card, the last pack. Let's go over the box really quick. That was a pretty cool box. We got our numbered Beast. Oh, wait, this one. Magenta Glitter is numbered to 199 on Drax on a magenta glitter. We got the Beast on the purple boxes. That's numbered to 99, number 8. And the hit of the box, I'd have to say, would be the comic cut right here. That is amazing. Well, that was the box. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. And always, keep collecting.